In this video, I'm going to show you how to use IC Markets cTrader. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign in to your IC Markets account. It can be a demo or a real account. And then here on the left, you want to click on Accounts. Now, once you do this inside your dashboard, you want to click on cTrader when the button appears. And here you want to open a new demo account. Once you do this, make sure cTrader is selected, and then you want to put in the account type, your currency, your leverage you want to have, and then your initial deposit. Once you do that, click on Proceed over here, and then there we go, your account will successfully be created. You can refresh the list and you'll see it over here. Now, once you do that, you want to go to cTrader.com, and then inside cTrader, you want to click on Get cTrader up top. Here, you can just, of course, download it for your computer as well, but I'm going to go to cTrader Web over here. I'm going to click on Launch. And then you want to make sure you actually sign into your account, and then your demo workspace will be successfully loaded. So after you do this, you can refresh this, and then at the very top right, you'll be able to see over here, I now have a demo account connected to IC Markets over here. This automatically got connected. I actually have two because I have a hidden one here as well. As you can see over here, there we go, but this just got connected. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.